Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Crow and the Pigeon. A moral story: don't pay the price of befriending a bad bee. Once there was a palace cook. He was very kind to birds. One day, he hung straw baskets on the kitchen windowsill for birds to rest and shelter in. A young pigeon began to live in one of the baskets. One day, a crow thought, "I will befriend this pigeon so I can get inside that kitchen easily." He praised the pigeon and said, "Pigeon, I wish to be your servant and follow you everywhere." The pigeon enjoyed the praise and was happy to get a servant. He agreed and took the crow to the kitchen window. The cook saw the crow and knew that the crow was a greedy bird. He would steal all the food in the kitchen. So, he threw the crow out of the basket. Then he looked at the foolish pigeon that had made the mistake of making the crow a friend, and threw it out too.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.